There are two candles A and B, each 25 centimeters and 30 centimeters long. Candle A shortens by 3 centimeters every 10 minutes, and candle B shortens by 5 centimeters every 8 minutes. How many minutes later will both candles be the same length if they are lit at the same time? So we have candle A, which is 25 centimeters at the beginning, so 25 minus, it shortens by 3 centimeters every 10 minutes. Then in 1 minute, it shortens by 0.3 centimeters. So we have to subtract 0.3 times time t. Let's say time t is capital T. Because the length decreases by 0.3 centimeters every minute, right? So this expression 25 minus 0.3 t, that represents the length of candle A after t minutes, right? Now let's write the length of candle B. It was 30 centimeters long at the beginning, so 30 minus. It shortens by 5 centimeters every 8 minutes. Then in 1 minute, candle B shortens by 5 over 8 centimeters, right? If we divide by 8 here, we must divide by 8 here. So the length of candle B can be written as 30 minus 5 over 8 times t, which means at the beginning it was 30 centimeters and it decreases by 5 over 8 centimeters every minute. Now, the question was, how many minutes later will both candles be the same length? So we have to find the time t when the length of candle A is equal to the length of candle B. So we have 25 minus 0.3 t is equal to 30 minus 5 over 8 t. 0.3 is 3 over 10. Right? So if we add 5 over 8t each side, then that's going to be, you can use your calculator, okay? 13 over 40t, and that is equal to 30 minus 25, 5. So the value of t is, if we multiply by 40 over 13, then that's going to be equal to 200 over 13. So the answer is 200 over 13 minutes.